Hi, I am Bhavana. I completed my engineering from Bhavana Institute of Technology, Koramangala, Bangalore, and I joined JSpiders in the month of August 2023. And I started with evening batch, and I completed courses from Core Java from Rohan sir, Advanced Java from Sai Charan sir, Web Tech from Nitya Sharma, and SQL from Deepa Sharma, programming from Raghu sir, and I am grateful for all the trainers here. The trainers are very depth in the knowledge, and I am really grateful for every trainers in the JSpiders who guided me thoroughly throughout my journey, and I am grateful for every trainers in the JSpiders and also the HRs who supported me throughout my journey. Thank you.